Starting around 02 August 2023, for the most part, Smooth Love Elixir certainly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.63% in every practical sense. Most recent 1 hour, in a sort of huge manner. SLP really has a very all-out market cap of $65,355,441, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,256,351 in an unobtrusive manner. This, in every practical sense, makes pretty Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, essentially positioning at 310 in the cryptographic money market, or so they generally thought. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Smooth Love Elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will, in every practical sense, Smooth Love Mixture most certainly be especially worth in 2023, or so they basically thought, is by and large Smooth Love Mixture an especially wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? Which sort of is very huge. Will SLP cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high in a significant manner? These, in every practical sense, are our fundamentally Smooth Love Elixir cost expectations for SLP'(S) future. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the kind of Smooth Love Elixir figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The SLP cost truly is supposed to cross a really normal value level of $0.002, the normal kind of least value worth of truly Smooth Love Elixir, toward the finish of the, in every practical sense, current year ought to be $0.002, showing that starting around 02 August 2023, certainly Smooth Love Mixture basically is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.63% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which truly is very critical. Besides, SLP can generally arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.002 in an extremely huge manner. SLP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Smooth Love Elixir most certainly is gauged to sort of be at around a base worth of $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. The kind of Smooth Love Elixir value worth can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of $0.002, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, which really is very critical. SLP value gauge September 2023. Concerning September 2023. Kind of Smooth Love Mixture especially, is supposed to generally arrive at an extremely least value worth of $0.002, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. The SLP cost could sort of arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.002, with the for the most part normal cost around $0.002 in a truly significant manner. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for, in every practical sense, Smooth Love Elixir in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.002, showing how these truly are our especially Smooth Love Mixture cost expectations for SLP's future, or so they basically thought. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP. Value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of sort of Smooth Love Mixture generally is somewhat anticipated to sort of arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.002 and an essentially least of $0.002 in a significant manner. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for truly Smooth Love Elixir in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner, while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.002. Smooth Love Elixir, sort of past value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been somewhat diminished by 0.14% in its in every practical sense current worth. Sort of additional appearance how this for the most part makes truly Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, genuinely positioning at 310 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. Assuming we by and large look at the very current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, showing that in every way that really matters, Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value gauge November 2023, for November 2023, the cost of truly smooth love elixir especially, is in every way that really matters, anticipated to explicitly arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $0.002 and a very least of $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Elixir in a real sense is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins, or so they essentially thought. The SLP for the most part is down to nearly 3.09% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, so SLP value gauge September 2023, with respect to September 2023, in every practical sense, Smooth Love Elixir explicitly is supposed to really arrive at an essentially least value worth of $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for genuinely past sort of couple of days. The coin could explicitly have in every practical sense solid basics at the same time. We don't especially feel that it would a beneficial resource in every practical sense, present moment, showing how genuinely Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for exceptionally smooth love elixir in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP by and large diminished by 47.627%, killing an incredible pretty normal amount of $0.001 from its sort of current worth, exhibiting how might SLP cost really outperform its unequaled high in a kind of significant manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a great for the most part purchase and open door for fundamentally speedy venture, which is very huge. The 90 days cost change really is near 46.79%. And the cost fundamentally flowed from a kind of least truly normal cost of $0.003 to pretty greatest truly normal cost of $0.003 in the especially beyond 90 days kind of additional appearance. How the SLP sort of is down to nearly 3.09% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days. So SLP value gauge September 2023. Concerning September 2023. Kind of smooth love mixture truly is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.002, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture for the most part is somewhere near 24.02%, with the very greatest pretty typical cost of the coin, in a real sense was around $0.002, and the kind of least fundamentally normal